Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today the video is a little bit different because it's not a tutorial. I recently bought a Canon EOS R, which I am extremely happy about, and I thought I'm gonna take it to the park because it's a nice, very nice weather and nice sunny day today. It's already almost golden hour and I'm gonna record a cinematic sequence in the park with the leaves and everything, so it should be really cool. I want to test how the EOS R performs in real life. I want to max out its capabilities, so I'm going to record everything in 4K in 30 frames per second so I can slow it down by 80%. And also I'm going to use Canon C-Log, so if you want to see some epic B-roll kind of cinematic footage recorded by me, then keep watching. If not, you can skip this video. Let's make it clear right at the beginning. So I hope you stay and stick around. Enjoy. So, what did you think? If you're still here, that means that you must have enjoyed it, at least a little bit. Tell me what you think down below. What did you think about the footage from the EOS R? And keep in mind that I was recording it in Canon log and at 4K. I think that color grading it must be a breeze, because with this amount of bitrate on those files, it's just going to be amazing. But I will have to come back home and see. So let me know what you think down below. And by the way, if you like this video, hit the like button down below, it really makes a difference. Also, you can consider subscribing to the channel, because I usually make photography tutorials, filmmaking tutorials, drone flying tutorials, and sometimes vlogs or travel videos here on YouTube. So definitely consider subscribing to my channel. I upload new content every single week, so hopefully see you in another video. But that's it for now. Have a good day or evening, and see you next time. Bye bye.